Hello YouTube, today I
Okay.
am reviewing the
Hello,
LEGO
YouTube.
Despicable Me party
Today,
bus
I am reviewing the LEGO Despicable
and also
Me
a speed build.
party bus. Okay, after building the party bus is like really nice. Like it comes with 4 minifigures, as you can see right here. We have Mega Minion Gus. He looks really good in his cape and in his like little super suit, it looks like, and he has a popsicle. And he looks really sad. I don't know why. And then we got, I think we got Phil. Yeah, this is Phil the Minion. He comes with a banana and like these little party hat looking pieces. He also has a microphone and like his hair looks really good. Then we have Mel, looking really good. You can see this is different to the Minions Rise of Gru ones, as if the camera wants to focus. Hold up. Anyways, it just has the Gru logo on it. He has these, what are these called? Maracas? I'm not too sure. And then he has a pink hat. And then we have Dave. This is like like the regular Minion, like that was like on the like most of the Despicable Me movie posters. And he has his like hair and he has his cup. He's like really familiar with, he's really similar to Phil, but let's get the minifigures out of the way and look at the main attraction, the party bus itself. Let's look at the front first. It says AVL, and it has Party on Wheels, like it's a sticker piece. And then we have for this side, and it's not really important. Then we have the back side, also having the AVL sticker and a window. And this is where it gets cool. You can lift up the roof like this, and then you can lift out these doors. But if you still don't want to get in there, you can open up this, which actually opens up a dance floor. And then we can see that it comes with like a little driving area, and then the set came with these instrument things. You can see a piano down there and a guitar. You can see that down there, all the way over there. And then it has this little disco thing, like where you go and then like you play music. That has the Gru logo on it. Continuing on to the other side, we have like a mini little bath area with a rubber ducky right there. And then, yeah. Also, looking at the top, can see there's little pictures of minions. There's a minion right there, and there's one right there, and it also is the same on the other side, as there's two minions. This set is really good. I picked it up for $50. I'm not sure how much it is elsewhere. Also, one last thing, like, it also came with these extra accessories. You have, like, yourself a little balloon. We'll sit that there. Then you have yourself a little flag. We'll just sit that one there. And then, here's the cool thing. We have ourselves a little brick built thing with an actual QR code, and it scans and it brings you to the Lego website, but it has a video, and then it was a stop motion of the party bus, and I think the party bus was made because of the stop motion that was made. But there you have it, the Lego Despicable Me party bus. I give this set a 9.5 out of 10. It's really good, and like, it's worth picking up. It has good playability, and it's really, like, it's just really good. The minifigures are good and everything. If you want more content like this, because this is our first video, I think. This was made by Jayden. Well, and I think Eli, he's gonna make the next video. So I'll see you guys all in the next video I'm in. Love you all. Bye.